Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Solo Mask. So this is a single lens frameless mask, which means that it's nice and compact, fairly low volume as well, so it's easier to clear. You've got the big open single lens with that sort of modified teardrop, so you can really look down, you get a decent field of vision in this. And because it doesn't have a big clunky frame, it means that the lens is closer to your eyes, which means that you can actually see further to the side. The buckles are fixed onto the skirt. Because there is no frame, it means that it has full range of motion and it does sort of fold virtually flat. So it's very easy to store. You can use this as or you can stow this away as a backup mask very, very easily. Very soft silicone skirt on this, very nice and comfortable. And because it has a second internal skirt, it means that it has a very wide sealing area all the way around your face. It spreads the tension or spreads the pressure so it's not digging into your face at all. So you're not going to come out looking like a panda. It's going to keep the air on the inside and keep the water out. Going back to that buckle, we have a one-way ratchet system, so it's very quick and easy to adjust and tighten. To undo it, you just pinch these two little buttons, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then pull on the strap, and that will lengthen it off again. Now this mask strap is pretty comprehensive. It's a 3D strap, so that wraps over the back of your head completely, and is really going to stick to the back of your head, even if you're wearing a hood. And then on the inside of the mask, you can't quite see, but it is a very low internal volume mask. So you can use it for freediving if you want to. It's a little bit bigger than a traditional freediving mask, but you do have a lower internal volume, so you don't have to equalize it quite as often. So all in all, it's a nice frameless mask, smart design. This is the Scubapro Solo Mask. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.